I don't know why I never used to make these videos because like my camera is actually very clear, but I don't like my face on camera. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't done a vlog in a long time. I had a lot going on in my life, so I haven't done that. Anyways, I have to go to class today. My class actually starts by 9, but the time is currently 8:30. I should be out of here by now because I need to thumbprint, but oh my god, my lip liner just finally finished. I have another though. I guess it's kind of rough right now. I don't know, but I just bought another serum and I think it's working. I got the Good Molecules. Before I was using Mindless. I don't know, let me show you. I was using this, but I wasn't sure I was working, so I ended up getting another one. I feel like this is not doing anything. I usually use lip gloss, but then I bought this lip mask recently, and I like the feeling. Let's see how good that looks. I'm going to class with this all back. Sorry, with my cornrows. Because I just can't really see what I'm doing though. I hope it looks nice. It has been raining all week. Today is Wednesday. I have this dinner thingy for school going on today. I meant to go with like natural hair. They let me in with this hair because I don't want to have to loosen it. I think my brows are getting too full. I need to shape them. Okay, outside. You can just bottle water, an umbrella, because it has been raining since forever, a power bank, then my iPad. I'm going to go with a snack because class will get like I'm thinking, should I carry this class? So I don't know why I never used to make these videos, because like my camera is actually very clear, but I don't like my face on camera. So this is a new face, this is a new me. This white is looking very white every day. Okay, bye. My flowers are dying. But I forgot to do that before.
Come on, buy your meat pie. She's putting it. I've sent. Account number. I've the box finished. Sorry. Yes. This.
Oh, you don't share my vlog.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, you all. Go and subscribe. Where are you going to? I want to return the camera of it. Really?
You're showing my vlog today.
Can you believe that they collected my ID card but I did not comb my hair?
Are you serious?
Crazy. Yeah.
I don't know. Already completed.
Thank God.
You're going to show now. You're going to show my vlog.